Lady had her eyes down her lap. I can see it. I think it's a lady. She's still looking down, looking up, looking to the right. So I'm certain she's on a phone. I can't think of any other reason why she'd have looked down on the lap. She hasn't looked down for a little bit now. I'm sure she's about to. I haven't seen a phone at this stage. And this is probably not where she will look at it. She's, oh, there she looks down again very briefly, and she's looking down. Looks up. This is not what we want from a driver. Time is 11:57. She has one brake light out. What a donkey of a cyclist. Again, I'm not following this lady. I'm going on my current normal route, as will be evident from many of my other videos. I think you need to put that phone away. Okay. I'm going to be reporting you to the police.
I am the police.
Well, that's a bit unfortunate for you, isn't it? So we part ways here.